Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. At Riaz Enterprises, we were in need of standardized green energy solution. Sleek Solar International Private Limited, with the quality of their services in having a great name in the town, we got in touch with them from day one to final completion day. Their dedicated team of experts and energy specialists handled each and every portion of a project very keenly. We congratulate Team Sleek Solar on successful completion of this mega project. We wish them good luck for future and recommend others to have their service. Sleek Solar, truly a name of trust.
Professional works done by Sleek Solar. Well done, Sleek Solar.